Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today, I'm doing a little bit of a book review. What? A book review? Wait a second. This is a finance channel. Do options and crypto. Well, listen to me. It kind of ties in with stuff I'm doing here, okay? Automatic Millionaire by David Bach. Very good book. Highly recommended. Okay? Some of the concepts that are presented in this book that's basically why I'm here today, talking to you guys. Right? Slow and steady wins the race. Okay? He constantly says, okay, some of the things you need to do is save 10%, 20% of your paycheck automatically. So before you even see it, it gets taken out of your paycheck, like a 401k plan. You need to max that thing out as early as possible, because we're going to go through a couple scenarios in a minute on compounding interest. Now, I did some of this before in another video that I did. All right, we'll go through that again. So the key here is put everything on autopilot, because most people are lazy, including me. All right, that's why I have things automatically invested, other than some dividend investing that I do. And I'm thinking about automating that too over at Robinhood. Stay tuned for that. All right. So the more automated you make this, the better off you're going to be in the long run. If you can have your employer do a 401k, a Roth IRA, those kind of things automatically. Have your bills paid automatically so you never have a late fee. Automate your banking system. There's another book that I read that says, I Can Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. He has a really good book, and he covers that as well. So these are a couple of the concepts in there, but the biggest one is make sure you pay yourself first. Make sure you save at least 10%, preferably 20%, or even more if you can live super frugally. That's great. All right, and now we're going to go through some calculations. Okay, so the first concept that he kind of covers is the latte factor. Now, I know a lot of people have done this. A lot of people have done this calculation. A lot of people go through this same gyrations, right? You save, okay, instead of going to Starbucks, getting my $5 a day coffee, $6 a day coffee, put that into a savings account, $5 a day. Comes out to about $150 a month for 40 years at 10% interest. What do you get? Boom. You get a lot of money over 40 years. Almost $1 million. It's pretty good, right? For a latte? What? That doesn't make sense. There it is in 30 years, typical working lifetime. So that's kind of crazy, right? So say you have a $50,000 a year job. Okay, and you're saving money. Say you save $1,000 a month in the 401k. You do that for a typical working lifetime of 30 years. How much will you come up with? 2.2 million. You're an automatic millionaire. How cool is that? So, okay, that makes a lot of sense, right? So these are the basic concepts that this book goes over. Save consistently over long periods of time, and you'll become wealthy. It's kind of like I've been saying, doing dividend investing, investing in various asset types. And subscribe to my channel. And be sure to like this video. Hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm so we can get the word out there on dividend investing and investing for the long haul. Getting rich slow. Not rich quick, but rich slow. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.